In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Merchant Center support efficiently. Navigating customer support systems can sometimes feel overwhelming, but together we'll simplify the process step by step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to the website support.google.com/merchants. This page acts as a home base for all your Google Merchant inquiries and can lead you to the answers you're looking for. Once the page is loaded, take a stroll down to the bottom of the page. Google places critical information in this section, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the content here, especially because this is where you'll find the next action point. Here's the next step. Look for a link or button that says Contact Us. This feature is your gateway to directly reaching out to Google support. With one simple click, you're one step closer to finding your resolution. Now, as the form appears on your screen, you'll be prompted to provide details about your specific concern. It's essential to be as comprehensive and clear as possible when describing your issue in the text box provided. The more detailed you can be, the more efficiently the support team can assist you, potentially reducing back and forth communication and saving you valuable time. After you've filled in your concerns, click on the Next button. Every interaction counts, and clicking Next guides you to a more precise categorization of your problem, allowing Google to funnel you to the right resources or experts. Moving along, you'll now see options that let you choose the best description that matches your issue. Taking a moment here to select the most accurate option is crucial, as it sharpens the support team's focus on your specific situation. With your choice made, proceed by clicking on Next Step. This action navigates you to a curated selection of related articles and potential solutions. Don't hesitate to explore these articles, as they might contain immediate answers or quick fixes to your problem. Next, you'll want to click Next Step once more. This simple click takes you to the final stretch of your support journey, where you can directly see how to contact Google support. Finally, once you've arrived here, you'll need to figure out how you prefer to communicate your concerns, whether through email, live chat, or phone, depending on availability. Be detailed and concise in your communications to help the support team address your issue effectively and efficiently. And there you have it. With these steps, finding and using Google Merchant Center support becomes easier and more manageable. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these instructions helped you navigate the support process with more ease and confidence. Until next time.